Hi! This is Marky from PH Books and More. Welcome back to the channel. Wala na akong ibang intro na maisip, so ganun na lang. I am back again with another bookish video, and this is now actually part 8, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Part 8 of my bookshelf tour. So, we are still going through my collection of books and comic books. So far, in fairness naman sa atin, nakakadalawang shelf na tayo or dalawang shelves na tayo. Natapos ko na yung boxes. Now, we're moving through the shelf. So, sobrang nakaka-proud naman yun. So, in this video, we are going to talk about another one of my prized possession. It's also a comic book series na kinolekta ko from when I was in high school or college. And up until now, I'm still a fan. So that's one of the books inside this box. Merong nasamang isa na I'm also very happy that I have because he really made a name for himself, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. So let's go ahead and start my bookshelf tour or continue my bookshelf tour with the rest of my comic book collections. So simulan natin dito sa isang artist na kung madalas kayo sa Facebook, kilala niyo siya. So we have PK, Tarantadong Kalbo. So I have some of his compilations. Uh, if I'm not mistaken, ito ay collections ng mga na-release niya na strips on Facebook. So, kinompile nila into books. And this is the first one. So, Tarantadong Kalbo. And then this is book 2. Here. Actually, mas makapal to or mas mabigat. There. And then you have book 3, Sibuyas. And you have Baby PJ. Ito, hindi to book. It was a collaboration with TK and Ibon Foundation. So, nag-release sila ng planner for 2025 na actually, hindi ko naman nagamit kasi hindi man ako nagpa-planner. But, this is it. There. So, again, from TK and Ibon Foundation. So, those are all the Tarantadong Kalbo books that I have. Meron akong ibang mga merch, posters, stickers, pero baka hindi ko na ipakita kasi nakatago sila sa ilalim eh. So, yeah, okay na yung books. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Ito na yung isa sa masasabi kong important collection ko and one of the biggest collection that I have as well kasi ang hirap na hanapin ng old books. Minsan, may makikita ka pang copies kaso sobrang mahal na and maabot na ng libo ang set price. Only because, yes, mahirap nang hanapin yung issues niya. So, again, one of my favorite comic book strips, we have Kiko Machine Comics by Manix Abrera. So, this is book 1. Ayan, medyo mahaba yung title. So, mga tagpong mukhang ewan at kung ano-ano pang kababalaghan. The title was the reason why I got interested. So, nakita ko to sa National Bookshop. Ang weird naman ito. Bibilhin ko nga. Little did I know, fast forward to the future, magiging big fan ako. So, there. Diba ang haba ng title? Okay, let's go to book 2. We have mga tagpong tila nagpapaka-weird, kunyari pa deep, sarap sa paking. Urbanix talaga. This is book 3. Die, Evil Die, Arch. Siyempre, hindi ko kaya sabihin yung Arch na may emosyon. Book 4. Kaligayahang walang hanggan. Yeah. Here's book 5. Hindi ko naaalisan yung sabihin nating bind niya. But this is Alab ng Puso. And then dun sa ilalim nito, may nakalagay sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Ay, hindi pala siya nandun sa baba. Ito lang pala siya, oh. Akala ko nandun siya sa loob. Andun yata si Bertong Bad Trip sa loob. There. Oops. Okay. Next one is book 6. Oh my gosh, hindi ko maalala yung title nito. May translation to, pero hindi ko maalala. But this is book 6. And you have book 7. Sorrowful, Sorrowful Mysteries. Here's bilang 8. Again, may translation to, hindi ko lang matandaan. Here. Here's bilang 9. Ilayo mo kami sa apoy ng impyerno. Book 10. Sanduguan ng Sangkalawakan. Taray. There's book 11. Mga Kirot ng Kapalaran. Book 12. Ayan. May title din to, hindi ko lang maalala. This is book 12. Book 13. Oops, parang nag-out of focus. Here's book 13. And book 14, Alaala ng Kinabukasan. Now, yung mga sumunod na books, malalaki na siya actually. Sabi ni Sir Manek sa akin before, yun daw talaga yung gusto niyang size ng comic books. Pero hindi yata natuloy. So, nung nag-publish na siya ng book 15, mas yung ano na siya, yung size na gusto niya talaga. So, we have bilang 15, Bulwagan ng Misteryo. And then here's 16, Nang Malingat ang Tadhana. This is 17, Meanwhile sa Parallel Earth. Bilang 17. This is 18, sorry. So, Lorem Ipsum. Ito yung cover na present. So, this particular issue, meron siyang 3 covers. So, this one, present. Then, merong cover na past. And then, may cover na future. So, ang kinuha ko is yung present. Ewan ko kung bakit yung present. Mas gusto ko lang siguro yung original na itsura ng characters. So, there. And then, the latest one, Master of Bad Trip. Kiko Machine 19. Ito din, dalawa din yung cover. The other one is the blue one. Hindi ko maalala yung title. May terror sa title nun eh. Ride the Terror, and then Master of Bad Trip. Ride of Terror is a blue one. This cover focuses on Bertong Bad Trip, while Ride the Terror focuses on Terror Prof. So, yeah. I chose the red one because I like red more. Yun lang talaga yung reason ko. Let's continue. Ito naman ay compilation. So, nag-release si Sir Manex a few years ago ng compilations ng bilang 1 to 3 and called it Ang Unang Katipunan. So again, books 1 to 3 yun nandito. And then just a couple of years ago, volume 2 was released. Ayan, ang nandito ay books 4 to 6. So ito yung ikalawang katipunan. There. Okay. Now, we're moving on to some spin-offs. So, we have a couple in here. The first one we have is Ang Mahiwagang Duwende. Naalala ko pa to. This was released during the first Philippine Book Festival sa World Trade Center, and dumating ako doon, nag-aayos pa ng booth sila Sir Manek, si Miss Me. And hindi ko alam kung ako yung unang-unang bumili. Basta nandun na ako, hindi pa ayos yung booth. Pero ang saya lang kasi first PBF, and then parang isa ko sa first na nakabili ng Ang Mahiwagang Duwende. So, good memory. Okay. Next, we have Lil Bertong Bad Trip. Ayan. Activity book to, believe it or not. Ayan. And it's colored. There. O, diba? Colored siya. So, yan. Lil Bertong Bad Trip. Ito naman ay, ano sa akin? Terror Prof. The Terror Prof. Ito yata yung limited lang yung nire-release nila sa Shopee, sa shopping app. And then nag-release lang sila 8 p.m. Tapos parang, hindi ko alam kung 10 copies lang yung nire-release every night. So, kailangan talaga mabilis kang magpipindot ng mouse mo. Kailangan keyboard warrior ka para maka-place ka ng order. Naalala ko na nag-alarm ako ng parang 7:58 p.m. para lang maka-order ako agad pagpatak ng 8 p.m. So, luckily, nakakuha naman tayo. This was released, during the time ng pandemic, nung wala pa masyadong open na bookstores or wala pang mga book fairs. So, sa Shopee mo siya mabibili. Ngayon, may bagong release na The Terror Prof. Grayscale yung cover niya, not this colored one. So, kung gusto niya bumili ng copies, meron nun, pero meron ito, pero grayscale na yung cover. Okay. And then another spin-off is this. So, wait, ano nga ba to? Ayan. This is Bertong Bad Trip. There. Ayan. Bertong Bad Trip is actually one of my favorite characters na kinreate ni Sir Manix. Oh, gusto ko napaka-unhinged niya. So, yeah, Bertong Bad Trip. Okay, next one. There are two in this sabihin na nating series. So, we have News Hardcore. Ayan, kasi nyo na mahaba. So, News Hardcore, Hukbong Sandatahan ng Kahagardan. There. So, mga news siya related siya sa current affairs, yung mga strips. Yes. And then, we have, this is the latest one, released just this year. So, mga lihim na karunungan. This is News Hardcore 2. There. So, again, same thing. Compilation siya ng strips about current events or current affairs. There. Okay. Next is this. Hindi ko na siya lalabas dun sa plastic, but this is a silent comics na ginawa ni Sir Manix. So, this is Daan. This is part 1 because according to Sir Manix, plano niyang gawing series to. So, this is the first one. So, again, the name is Daan. Here. And then, you have this collaboration with national artist Sir Ricky Lee. You have si Amapola. Ayan. Wait, nakikita niyo pa ba? Sorry. Let me just move this one. Okay. So, si Amapola. There we go. Okay. From what I know, this is book 1 of 3. Pero wala pang news kung ginagawa na ba or lalabas na ba ni Sir Manix yung book 2. Ayan, si Amapola. Something funny about this, hindi man funny, pero something that I'm really happy about this one is, ayan, pirmado siya ni Sir Ricky Lee, and then, pirmado rin siya ni Sir Manix. There. So, si Amapola. Okay, next one. Si Sir Manix ay gumawa din ng planner. Kalain niyo yun, gumawa ng planner si Sir Manix. So, we have Mga Tadhana at Lihim na Karunungan. Tala-arawan. So, para siyang diary/planner. Ayan, Sir Manix. Ayan, there. So, kung di ako nagkakamali, wala siyang date. So, you can use it any year that you want. Ayan. So, mga tadhana at lihim na karunungan. Ito namang iba ay mga collabs ni Sir Manix sa iba't ibang publishing companies. Karamihan kasi nung books niya, either published by Visprint, Avenida, or self-published. Yung iba, collaborations niya with other publishing companies where he worked as an artist for them. So, for example, itong Adarna. So, gumawa si Sir Manix ng Pen Pen de Sarapen na board book. And then this one is from Hias. So, Tuli o Di Tuli. This is by Luis P. Gatmaitan. And yeah, illustrated siya ni Sir Manix. Yan. Ito naman in partnership with um, Department of... Ako, nakalimutan ko. National Committee on Intellectual Property Rights. There. So we have Pirated Inferno. Ayan, collab nila yan. Ito naman with Adarna pa din. So Ako Ang Bayan. This is by P.D. Ginto and then si Sir Manix yung nag-illustrate. And then from Chigiting Books, si Caitlin at ang Game Machine. So, kwento ni Ferdinand Pisigan Harin, and then illustrations by Manix Umbrella. So, there. That's actually the entire book collection. Sorry, chinek ko kasi yung battery ng mic kung meron pa. Kaya medyo lumakas yung boses ko. So, that's all that I have dito sa box na to. Again, comic books or comic book collections ni PK at saka ni Sir Manix Abrera. So, if you're a fan of Kiko Machine Comics, I'm sure meron din kayo nitong mga issues na to. Medyo mahirap hanapin yung mga first issues, pero hopefully may makita pa rin kayo sa market or may makita kayong collector na binibitawan na nila yung collections nila. So, fingers crossed may mahanap kayo. Okay. All right. So, we will continue with our bookshelf tour. I think yung mga susunod ay karamihan books. Parang may isa na lang akong box na may comics. So, stay tuned for all of those. Medyo madami yung susunod. So, thank you again for spending your minutes with me. I will see you again in the next video. This is Marky from PH Books and More. Have a good day. Bye!